Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can fix your iMessage photos, or if your iMessage photos are not showing or loading in your iPhone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is reloading your iMessages. So you can do this by first just to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to activate the app switcher, and then shut the messages manually. So you can also do this if you're using a older version, or if you're using an older version of an iPhone and you have a home button. What you'll need to do is to simply just click it twice. So for the app switcher to activate in your phone, and then again just manually shut your messages. And then next, go to your home screen after shutting it manually, and then you can try again by opening your messages. And then next, what you can do is resetting the network settings. So resetting your iPhone's network settings is another useful option for resolving network difficulties that may block photos from loading correctly. However, before you reset your iPhone's network settings, be sure you have done the option that I mentioned earlier. And if they didn't work, simply reset the network settings. And to do this, open your setting and then just go to the search bar and just type in the network settings as right here shown in the picture. And then you can now click on to the reset network setting. That's the second option. So it is right here as shown in the picture. And next, what you can do is to cleaning up, or you can clean up some space in your iPhone storage. So your iPhone also uses up storage space when you send pictures via iMessage. So in some cases, old iMessages photos aren't displayed due to the lack of storage. So this issue can be resolved by clearing any useless files or apps in your device. So that's it for this videos, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.